In this video, we're diving into how to set up product alerts in JungleScout, a simple but powerful tool to help you monitor your product's performance and trends. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to make this feature work for you to stay ahead of the competition. You can also get access to JungleScout for free from the first link below, with some exclusive bonuses I've lined up for you. Now, let's get into the setup. Setting up product alerts in JungleScout is one of the easiest ways to track price drops, inventory changes, or even when a product goes live in a market that matters to you. So let's make sure you get the most out of it. Start by logging into your JungleScout account. If you don't have one yet, grab the free trial with the link in the description. Once you're logged in, go to the product database. This is where you can filter through thousands of products to find the ones that fit your criteria. You'll want to create a product alert for the products you're interested in, so make sure you've already narrowed down your search. In the product database, you'll see a column with Set Alert on the right. Click on that and you'll be prompted to set your preferences. You can choose different conditions for when you want to be alerted, whether it's a price change, a sales rank shift, or changes in inventory. Once you click on Set Alert, you'll be taken to a page where you can specify your alert criteria. For example, let's say you want to be notified when a product drops below a certain price. You can set the alert to notify you once it falls to that threshold. Or, if you're tracking a product's performance in terms of sales rank, you can create an alert for a specific rank range. You can also set alerts based on other factors like inventory. If you're trying to get a jump on restocks or noticing trends in inventory levels, this is where you can set a custom alert to get notified when a product's inventory reaches a certain amount. After you've selected the alerts you want, simply hit Save. Now you'll get notifications whenever the product meets your specified criteria. The best part? JungleScout will send you email alerts, so you don't have to keep checking manually. You can also check your alerts by going to the Alerts tab in your JungleScout dashboard. This is a great feature for anyone looking to stay on top of changes in the market without constantly tracking products manually. Imagine having all this data come directly to you, saving you time and effort while ensuring you never miss a key opportunity. And just before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use JungleScout for free with the exclusive trial link in the description. You'll also get some extra perks to maximize your experience with this awesome tool. To sum it up, setting up product alerts in JungleScout is easy. All you need to do is go to the product database, choose the product you want, set your alert conditions, and save it. Then sit back and let JungleScout handle the monitoring for you, sending you those valuable notifications. If you haven't already, take advantage of the free trial and exclusive bonuses through the link below. That's it! Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more quick guides on digital marketing tools that can help you grow your business.